Okay.
Hi everybody! This is Pete at Carpizzo's Kitchen here in the Las Vegas desert. And you know what? We got an email from Lisa in San Diego, and she says she wants me to show us how to make a quick vegetarian meal using eggplant. So as you can see here, I have on the board sliced up eggplant ready to go. So we're gonna follow the same procedure when we make the chicken cutlets, that we make the pork cutlets, that we use for all different air fried things, is we're going to dip our eggplant into the egg mixture, into the breading, and onto our air fry pan. And we're gonna do that for all of our eggplant today. And then we're going to make a sauce that we would like to make for this particular dish. It could be a red sauce, it could be anything else, basil sauce, whatever you like. So I'll let you know. We'll post the pictures of it completed. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you later from Carpizzo's Kitchen. Bye.